how to turn off voice control on headphones. So if you want to turn off voice control on your headphones, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your settings and then scroll down a bit, and then you'll find Siri option. Tap on Siri. Now you need to just simply go and enable a Siri option. Tap on Talk to Siri, and here you need to set the voice commands. Once you've enabled your Siri, you need to go back to your settings and then scroll down and find Face ID and password. Tap on it, enter your password. Now scroll down. Here you will find these are different options that you can customize for yourself, and here already disable, for example, voice, headphone controls, and so on. And in this way, when you customize these items for yourself, you can disable or enable them, like for example disable Siri. That way, when you're wearing headphones and maybe accidentally say Siri or accidentally press the side button or something else, that way you're no longer controlling your device through voice control. Once you've customized these options, you can just quietly exit the settings and the changes are all saved. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.